Watersports Complex was actually the second cable park ever built in the United States. So it is something where it's a historic establishment in the sense that we have a lot of first tricks being landed here.
It's fast, hitting the jumps is fun, and I lost 15 pounds doing it, so it worked out pretty good.
We've had riders out here as young as 6 years old going off those ramps. We've had riders as old as 70 years old throwing flips. When you come out here and ride, you're not just coming to ride, you're coming to make friends. And
it's a great time to spend with your children, and they have good food out here, and it's relaxing, and even if you don't wakeboard, it's a beautiful place to sit and watch your kids wakeboard.